Good afternoon, dear students. Nice to meet you all once again. I welcome you all for today's EVS online class. I hope you had watched video last week which was about resources and its types, that is natural resources and man-made resources. Today we learn what is natural resources and man-made resources and how they are correlated with each other. So let's begin. Let's see what is natural resources. Things occurring in nature like air, water, sunlight and crops that can be used to fulfill a need. That means to fulfill our needs, we use some things from nature. They are called natural resources. The types of natural resources are vegetation, animals, soil, minerals, water. Further, we'll see about man-made resources. A man-made resource is a resource created by humans. That means a resource or a thing which is made by man. Like other non-living things are man-made, which means that people make them. Like table, fan, house, pencil, bridge, car, which are made by man. So these are called man-made resources. Further, we'll see how man-made things and natural things are correlated with each other. Natural things means natural resources. You can see natural resources and man-made resources. First one, rubber. We get rubber from a rubber plant. From that rubber, we make tires which are man-made, which is made by man. Second, wood. This we get from trees. From wood, we make dining table, chair, so which is made by human beings. Third, metal. It can be steel or copper, etc. From metal we make spoon which is made by man, whereas metal we get from natural resources. Fourth one is sand. Sand we get from nature. From this sand we make clay pots which is made by man. Fifth, copper. Copper is a metal from which we make statue which is made by man. So in this way, natural resources and man-made resources both are correlated with each other. That is, as it is told, to fulfill our needs, we use natural resources. So these are some of the examples to know how natural resources and man-made resources both are correlated with each other. Yes, here you can see a write-up is given, without water everything withers. That is, water is such a natural resource which is very important for us. So now it's time for task. This is an assignment for you. You have to observe the pictures and draw the things made from it, as we have learned now. First one is wood, metal, rubber, glass, cloth, plastic. So you have to draw the things made from wood, made from metal, made from rubber, made from glass, made from cloth and made from plastic. So here today we have learned about natural resource and man-made resources and how they are interrelated with each other. Further, in the next class, we'll learn more about these natural and man-made resources or living and non-living things. Thank you. Have a nice day.